Hey, welcome to Bachelor Nutrition. I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious breakfast that is nutrient dense and it is healthy, it is balanced, and best of all, we're not going to count calories, we're not going to measure things out, but we're going to have it a healthy, nutritious breakfast that's easy to cook, easy to clean. We're also going to have some food left over for the next couple days, and I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is cut up some potatoes here. And I've got some organic, local, golden potatoes as well as some red ones. So what I like to do here is get a little closer. So I like to cut it in half. I like to do my potatoes fairly small. And then I'm going to do, on this one, I'm going to do 3 sections. The top one is the thinnest because it's got the most to it. And then I'm just going to cut across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So pretty small pieces, not terribly small. Okay, so I'm gonna cook my potatoes and eggs here in some organic ghee. And I don't generally use ghee unless it is winter time. So how much to put in? Well, potatoes kind of need a lot and I'm cooking extra. So probably at least a teaspoon. Now if this were summertime, I would cook with a probably coconut oil or avocado oil, because those are more cooling oils. This is a warming oil, so it's better for winter. All right, we know that our oil is ready if this sizzles when we put it in. So let's check it out. All right, that is ready. So let's put the rest in. Real salt, not fake salt. And some fresh pepper. All right, let's check these potatoes here. So what we're looking for is we want the potatoes to be a little crispy on the bottom. So let's take a look. So indeed, they're a little crispy on the one side, so I'm just gonna stir them up a little bit here and let them get crispy on the other sides as well. Next step is to put some of the potatoes into a container. Next step is I've got some kale here, organic kale, and I'm going to chop it up, just 1 or 2 leaves, and I'm going to put it in here. So using the same pan, but I'm going to throw a little more oil in there just to make the cooking process easier. Those greens are not going to take long to cook, so immediately I'm going to throw in 4 eggs. And that, I'm doing 4 eggs because it's winter time and I am building right now, so trying to build some muscle. Now if you are losing weight, then you don't want to do that much. You're going to want to do maybe 1 or 2 eggs and just a little bit of potatoes, and eat slowly because that will help your brain know that you're full, so you won't be bringing in as many calories. Now one other trick here is I'm throwing these eggs straight in because again, I don't want to do more dishes. So just gonna throw them in there, not gonna beat them before or anything like that. It all goes down the same. So here we go, looks like this. Now just gonna stir it all up. Now I love eggs because they have quality fat, they have quality protein, and they're very complete meal in themselves. As you'll see from my other videos, I like to make some rice or some quinoa in bulk, and then I'll use it for about 3 days. So I'm gonna throw all of this in and probably make some more either today or tomorrow. If you're trying to build and gain muscle and gain weight, then you're probably gonna wanna eat most of this to where you're gonna eat a little bit beyond feeling full. But make sure you're working out when you're doing this, because you need to build muscle. You need to take this nutrition and turn it into muscle. Now, on the other hand, if you're trying to lose weight, then you're going to serve yourself a smaller plate, and you're going to eat slowly so that your brain, so you're going to do intuitive eating, and you're going to eat slowly and allow yourself to feel satisfied earlier, right? So if you eat slowly, your brain starts to recognize that you've actually had enough. This, I like to put in some sauerkraut. This is a probiotic, which is good for your gut, which is going to help with quality digestion, help you assimilate the food so that the nutrition goes where it needs to go. A little hot sauce, local adobe milling. This stuff is a bomb. All right, and here is our final product. Enjoy.